Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your domain name, which is going to be the first step to setting up your website. So first you're going to come to GoDaddy.com. You can click the link below this video. I'm going to try to get you a coupon for 20 or 30% off so that you can take advantage of that and it will be cheaper to register your domain name. It's cheaper as it is. It's only like $12, but hopefully this will save you a few bucks. So you're going to type your domain name in here. Let's say I have an idea.com. Oops, I typed that in wrong. Okay, so this is taken, so we cannot get it. But if we want something similar, we can just go down here and find one that we like and click Add to Cart. And you can keep searching in here for as long as you want for the domain that you want. But obviously if it's taken, you're going to have to go with another one or use a broker service to try and get it. But it could cost a lot of money. So just take a look at these, see if there's any you like. Once you add it to your cart, you're just going to click Continue to Cart. It's just like buying clothes online, but you're buying a website, or a domain name, I should say. Privacy protection, this is going to hide who owns the website. So if somebody's looking up your domain registration information, it's not going to say your name. It's going to say protected for privacy purposes or something like that. So if you could decide if you want to get this or not, I'm not sure if that's important to you. I'm going to say no thanks. Start your website for free. I don't like GoDaddy hosting or their website builder really, so I don't recommend this. But it is an option you can take if it's something that you're interested in. But in the next videos, I'm going to show you my preferred method of building websites and what I believe that you should really do. So continue on here. You could choose if you want an email at your domain. I use Google Business Suite, but if you want to use GoDaddy, you can do that. Click Continue to Cart. Alright, so once you get here, you're just going to decide how long you want to register your domain for. You can choose between 1 and 10 years. I'm just going to select 1 year. It'll be $12. And then what you're going to do now is just create an account real quick and purchase your domain. And then you will be good to go. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your hosting and get your site live so that you can start putting content on there. So I will see you in the next one.